Main problem was that I was getting demotivated. When I was learning by myself, then I was getting demotivated. How I will learn this concept? How I will learn this that. My name is Kushal Basak. I live in West Bengal. I live in Balurghat, a small city of West Bengal. I have done my graduation in 2020, and I have done my graduation in BSc Mathematics. So one day I was scrolling Instagram, then I saw a ad of 10x Academy that it is a platform where, and I after and before seeing this ad, I started learning coding from six months or 7 months before that, seeing that ad from YouTube. Then I was learning something. Then I but I was not getting that skill that was needed to get in the industry. So I was thinking that what would be the better option to get a job. Then I saw the ad of 10x Academy in Instagram. Then I came to know when is the process is starting and what is the process. Then I gave the exam and I choose this academy. Yes, the main problem was that I was getting demotivated. When I was learning by myself, then I was getting demotivated. How I will learn this concept? How I will learn this that concept that is needed? What is needed actually? How to study? How to perform better? That is all thing is clumping up, and I think I was not able to solve that problem myself. Yes, I one-on-one mentor session. The mentors ask me there are different type of one-to-one mentor session. And at first he asked some questions to see what is how I am doing in the program. Then I gave them some answer. Then they tell that what I have to do, what I am doing great, what I have to do better. And after that I asked them some question about what to know, how to do that. Then they gave me some answer. So it is actually a great session. Yes, sir. Main thing is learn that how to study in the time, in within the time. I used to study in that concept before also, but I not used to study that in the given time. But in this joining after joining the boot camp, I used to study in the given time. In 1 day or 2 day I have to complete. There is a deadline, so I do it better. I can plan myself. I know the concept at first, so that is helping me. But also the teachers are very good in this academy. They are teaching. If I type repeat or I do not understand something, they always help us. The most liked topic by me is the function. I like function very much because it is very conceptual and it is very interesting. There are some question how this function works behind the scenes, how why it is sometimes the function is giving some defined answer that I am expecting. Then I get to know how the function is running behind the scenes. That's why this answer is coming. They are giving us task, and I am liking this course. I mean, they are giving task, and sometimes it is hard. I cannot solve it by myself. I take help from the instructor. And then sometimes I do it myself.